Hello there folks, it's a hat-free day due to the wind. We're just having a little walk up to a place I used to hang out as a kid, so to speak. Part of the L.N.E.R. East Coast Mainline, where it comes through Temple Hirst. And we used to hang out at River Bridge. It's quite possible this river bridge was built in the late 1800s for its opening. I'll put some info on the line down below. So, let's take a look. So there's the bridge, and just over there is actually where there's a, how do you say, a modification to the line in the 1980s, so it diverted and go around Selby to York, and this bridge was the original line that actually goes through Selby. And that over there was Temple Hirst station. Anyway, let's take a look at this bridge. Sorry if it's windy folks, it's waiting for a fluffy thing for the microphone. So I've just sellotaped some fluffy things onto the built-in microphone, so it'll probably be sounding a bit poor. So, take a look at this bridge first. Looking a bit wonky. I wonder if I'll get to see a train today. So this is where the two lines join into one. This now just being the Hull to Doncaster line, I believe. See the track up there. And then there are the wonky bridge. Yeah, it's a thing. So this is probably the original bridge. And I kind of like it because, well, you can see under the trains. That being the track just up there. Definitely a lot of movement in that.
Yeah. Still fancy the crack though.
You
think they've put
a bandage on it.
always put that like paste on it to see
Yeah.
how much it's
Crazy little spot this. And then you got the bridge that was built in the 1980s, which is now the actual main line. I used to loiter about here when I was young, watch the trains go past. We used to also get up on there and onto there and walk across the outside of the bridge and get onto that bit. which as you can see is in the water. So yeah, just a bit of reminiscing today, folks.
Where the fuck's he gone? Marco!
Hello. Yep, definitely seen better days. No. Fucking camouflage isn't that bloody good.
I didn't nearly fall.
Of course he did.
Do that greedy stuff.
Hmm.
That dry broker was like 15 minutes.
Yep, so that's the main line. Oh, lovely day. Nice and warm. That is true. Old Egbra looking a bit exposed. I can't see from here. Maybe I should put my glasses on. Oh, of course it's facing the other way, that one. Why not? Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong one. Right. So I can't see. I was hoping to see a train at least.
Yeah.
Yeah. I assume trains are running today. I'm guessing we're not going to see any trains on this line today, folks. No. No idea. Yeah. So yeah, this was considered a new bridge. We used to hang out here. Far from it now. Peaceful, isn't it? That sun's nice and warm. What's the chances of a train today?
What do we have? Editing. No, you can't.
No, I meant on this line.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah, they're going about the viaduct being a bit wonky. Well, those metal plates are actually rotting out.
Oh no!
Those ones aren't too bad, but some of them are definitely.
And apparently someone came and saw it on the 7th of 2020, unless it's 19th one, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Also deemed it well enough.
Yeah.
Because I read it 2020 or 1920. And more.
Does make you wonder, doesn't it? Because it's.
Definitely seen better days. I mean, it wasn't good.
That's probably the problem, to be fair.
Need some more leaded paint.
Yep. No more leaded paint.
And those metal things that you put through houses, want pushing the walls together.
You can see the wonkiness to it, can't you?
Yeah. Let's just get a Yumcom. I mean, a bridge can hardly be a wanker. What the hell would be a wanker? We're dead straight, probably.
You up that? That's filming.
Yep. The GoPro expert.
Yeah, it's a bit hard to tell where you're filming.
Mm.
If you see her in the link. Look. Ta-da.
Switch roles.
kidding.
What?
I want recording.
Wouldn't you?
Yeah. I thought I pressed it. For fuck's sake, should we try that again?
Yeah. I'm still recording, so. And up we go again. That was just a practice run of what you did.
Yeah. Literally the track level, I think. How long to get the footage?
Yeah.
Right, try again.
It's harder to carry on stick.
Ta-da. Take two. Well, there was that concrete thing over there, wasn't there?
Yeah.
And what date was that?
7th of the 20th, so
Yeah, well,
that's also
that's the other one, which is
7:20.
obviously fallen off.
So either it was 1920 or it's just.
Oh yeah, it was 1920. No, it was 2020. Yep, it's
But that could be in case one of the river floods. It might not be necessarily meant for source of use.
I don't know, because I'm sure the stones used to be level all the way across. I may be wrong. No, they do sit higher. Make a nice patio, to be fair.
Right, the board is ready, E is flashing, let's play blockbusters.
Yeah.
I think there's some kind of water pump house over there. Hmm. Well, I think we've kind of seen what we came to see.
Yeah.
A bit better than yesterday.
That is true.
Definitely rusty folks. Well folks, that's it for this little trip of nostalgia. Glad you came along with us. Thanks for watching, liking and subscribing, all that jazz. Catch you on the next one.